And hi everyone, I'm Smriti and welcome to my channel. कैसे हो आप सब लोग? आई होप आप सभी लोग बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे, खुश होंगे और सेहतमंद होंगे। आज हम आप लोगों को एक गेट अवे पे ले जा रहे हैं। इन शॉर्ट यू कैन से escape to the woods and restore balance in your life. Isn't it exciting? So let's go. So we are going to stay for one night, and this is, you can say, our mini van for one night. And let me show you the background. You will enjoy it. So this is an outdoor area, and you will get a fire pit, grilling grate, and outdoor picnic table and chairs. Garnel. So this is the name of our mini van. So are you excited to get inside? Let's go! This is our kitchen, and you'll have a sink, a mini fridge, and a stove, which is beautifully organized, neat and clean. There you go, cozy bunk bed. So much of light and good vibes, isn't it? Now let's move to the dining space. You can sit, talk, and of course enjoy your meal. But ignore my stats. This is a mini bathroom, but you can have a hot shower too. Enjoy your bath in nature. I hope you have enjoyed our mini van. So now we are going to our friend's location. Yes, to another beautiful spot to celebrate my friend's birthday. हाँ, आप लोग को भी साथ में लेके जाएंगे. Let's go. Hi, Goody. Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying your getaway? I know आज आप लोग मुझे नहीं देखोगे, and I'm very sorry for that because I will be behind the camera. ताकि आप लोग को अच्छे से दिखा सको. So आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि after a short distance you will get to see a mini van, and the best part is that you will not feel that your neighbor is near you. So finally हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं to our friend's location, and this is our birthday girl with the balloon. And Darsh is really enjoying it. So Now you meet our Muffin. So he's our cool and dear pet, and our Darsh best company. So now meet my better half Arup, जो अभी प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं स्नैक्स कम डिनर के लिए. एक्चुअली हम सब एक साथ करेंगे. So look at our Darsh. He is just enjoying his own time. কি কৰিছা? Very good. Stomach? Stomach? Very good. Where's your hair? Oh! Your nose? Can you show me your nose? Be careful, Boogie. So this is our cake cutting time. So finally अभी हम लोग केक कट करने जा रहे हैं. हम लोग नहीं, I mean to say हमारे बर्थडे गर्ल की. So let's cut the cake. And साथ में ये बन रही है Indian masala chai. Tea time at the same time. Yes. So हम लोग वीडियोस तो ले नहीं पाए, but actually we have taken some pictures. So let me share with you. So ये रहे हमारे pictures. So we just came back to our mini van, and let me show you something. So it's a beautiful view from our window. And look at them, Daddy and Darsh. So they are enjoying their time. So isi bahane, now let me show you the evening beauty of nature. So now we are going to have our dinner. I know it's completely dark and quiet. या थोड़ा डर भी लगता है क्योंकि दूर दूर तक आप कुछ भी नहीं देख पाओगे. You are not going to see anything. And the main reason is that we are not actually used to it. But trust me, you will love the place. It's so peaceful. So we are going back to our minivan and अभी हम रास्ते में हैं and you can see कि दूर दूर तक आप कुछ भी नहीं देखोगे. It's completely dark. So finally हम अपने मिनी वैन पे पहुंच गए हैं. So see you very soon in the next morning.
চেনি দিয়া নাই যাক চেনি লাগে কাক চেনি লাগিব
মোক অকণমান চেনি দিয়ে অকণমান
ঠিক আছে এই দুটা তুমি লৈ লোৱা
বিস্কিট লৈ
वो बोलते हैं ना कि वो सुबह ही कैसी जहाँ चाय ना हो. So we are enjoying our morning tea.
বিস্কিট দিম নেকি বিলটা কেনেকৈ তুমি ভিডিঅ' কৰি আছে মই আৰু আমলেছে
কাটো দেখা নাই যে কাটো বিচাৰি
I hope आपको आज का ये छोटा सा गेट अवे अच्छा लगा हो. I hope you have enjoyed our small getaway. So before saying goodbye, I want to say something. Preserve and cherish your nature. So फिर मिलते हैं न्यू वीडियोस के साथ. तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, ख्याल रखिए और सेहतमंद रहिए. Be happy, be safe, be healthy with lots and lots of love. अगर आपको आज का ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.